Hello, my name is Miguel de Araújo Nobre and I am the head of both the R&D department and the oral hygiene department at Malo Clinic Lisbon. Malo Clinic has great know-how and experience when it comes to implant rehabilitation. We have a multidisciplinary team working together in order to achieve great outcomes and long-term success for your patients' rehabilitations. Good planning and execution of the surgical and prosthetic protocols are key for this goal, but so is a structured and solid maintenance protocol that focuses both on patient self-care and also follow-up and diagnosis. It is essential that clinicians involved, dentists and hygienists, have access to all relevant protocols and tools that prepare them for the problems that are bound to happen and potentialize implant rehabilitation success. We have an extensive know-how in this area and have prepared a comprehensive 3-day program that systemizes information, offering a diversity of clinical examples and models hands-on practice. We'll be delighted to welcome you in beautiful Lisbon. Join us!